Hi dearies, how are you all doing? It's amazing queen in the building today. So, do you know this mushroom? Let's make vegetable soup with it. My ingredients, I've got my meat. Yeah, that's the meat I'll be using, and I'll be using cow skin, otherwise known as boma. That is a dried fish and grinded bonga fish. I blended it, and that is thickener. I like adding thickener to my soup. Okay, that's the pepper. That's the two onion, one for steaming the meat and one for the mint soup. Two nut cube, one for meat and one for the mint soup. Our main ingredients: ogo vegetable. That's fruited pumpkin leaf. Yes, that's the main ingredient, and I will be missing water leaf. There's no vegetable without water leaf for me. So those are my ingredients. Yeah, that's my crayfish. I think these are all the ingredients I'll be using. And then the main cocoa, our mushroom, okay? Yes, I'll go ahead to prep it. I'll put it in a bowl and then add some hot water, you guys. When you wash this mushroom without adding hot water to it, you will eat sand. Trust you me. After washing this with hot water, there was nothing like sand, no trace of sand. When you pour hot water, you shake it just the way you're seeing. It will get all the hot water, all the salt, sand out, and it will still remain strong. I love eating these types. Like when you get these types, it looks like you're eating chicken. If you know, you know. So I'll start by adding my meat and the cow skin in the pot, and then my seasoning cube and salt. I've added onion and pepper as you saw earlier. So after that, when it boils a little bit, I will add my mushroom. Okay, you will see how I do it. So I've just gone ahead to slice the vegetables, as you can see, the water leaf and the a fruited pumpkin leaf ugu. So the meat has been boiling for a while now. I have just added the mushroom after washing it with hot water, and then I'll add more water and then stir it a little bit and allow it to boil. I'll bring it back to show you when it has boiled. Now it's boiling very well. I will now add my red oil. Yes, just follow me to the end. You will understand what I'm doing. If you have watched this part, it means you like my video. Please subscribe. So I will go ahead here now to fry the thickener, the achi. If I don't fry it, it will form lumps in the soup and you wouldn't want that. So I just added oil and onion and then added the thickener. I like cooking my vegetable soup with achi. I will stir it for it to get just the way you're looking at it now. When it has scattered and become watery this way, I will now take it to go and pour. Okay, sorry, I added water. Yes, added water to turn it. Yes, after stirring it like this, now I'll go and add it in the boiling pot of meat and mushroom. Yes, I have added it here. Yes, I've added it. It's been boiling. That's my crayfish and some more pepper. I tested and saw it needed pepper, added extra pepper. The remaining seasoning cube and onion, I added them there. I will also allow it to simmer for like 3 minutes. Yes, I added that dried fish I showed you earlier is a bonga fish, then grinded. I don't like eating bones, that's why I grind it that way, and the taste will come out even more better. Are you seeing how stretchy or drawing that liquid is? That's how I like it, for me to be able to swallow it. If I don't make it that way and swallow it, will be dry on my throat, especially when I'm eating with Gary. I don't know, it's a thing of choice. It's been boiling very well, bubbling, bubbling. Now it's time to add the water leaf that we just sliced. Yes, I don't like frying my water leaf. I see no reason why I should do that. I've been doing that in some cases, but at this point, this particular soup, I see no reason why for it. So I'll just go ahead and add the remaining water leaf and stir and leave it to boil. Here it's been boiling. Then I added my ugu leaf. Yes, my fruited pumpkin leaf. I added it there. Okay, I will be adding extra oil once I'm done adding the vegetable there. Add extra oil at that point and then stir and allow it to boil. So I went to do gari, otherwise baked gari, that we used to eat the soup. This gari will be serving 5 people satisfactorily. Yeah. Okay, right here, the soup is done. I dished in the plate for myself and my husband to eat. Okay, yeah, that's how it's looking. That's how I love my vegetable soup. A little bit watery, a little bit watery, so I can enjoy it. Okay, guys, this is me trying to eat the food. You guys, this soup tasted delicious. I was eating with my husband. He doesn't like appearing on my camera on my videos, so I didn't show him. Please subscribe.